Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we can actually just click on this add elements right here. And then in here, you should be able to see some more elements. So what we can do is you can actually head over and then click on search bar right here and search in here for map. So when you search in here for map, you should be able to see this upper side. But in here, they have an integrated Google Maps. Just click on this Google Maps right here, and then this will open the contacts and forms option right here. In here, you can see the maps. And then in here, you can see some options for the Google Maps as well. So in here, let's first try to scroll down wherein we want to put that map. So for me, I'll put that map just around here. So I will open the add elements icon again. Then I will add in the map that I want to add. For example, I add in this blue map. I will just drag and drop this right around here. Now, when you drag here, it will look like this. Now you can click on this manage locations. Then in here, you can just put in here the address that you want. So you can also put in here the location of your office. For example, you can change in here the title. You can also add in a description and another link for this one. So for example, you can also add in here an address that you want for this. So for me, I will, for example, add in Manila to 8. And then from in there, I will just head over and then try to save this one. So when I do this, I can actually just enter it. And then it will actually put this here on the map. And as you can see, it has been changed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because this has reached more people. See you soon.